That's right. I'm quitting LSD. No more freaking limited slip stock diffs that came in the Arrma EXB. I'm going back to the old style with the aluminum case on it, you know? Oh! And while I'm at it, went ahead and got the aluminum diff housing with the cover. I'm tossing on. And here's a little heads up for you boys and girls. If you're looking at your pinion gear going, oh, I don't know, it looks okay. Look at a new one in comparison. I had no idea until I looked at a new one how bad mine were. All right. As long as you got all your junk tore apart, why don't you upgrade to some of these captured CVD drive shafts instead of dog bones in the back? And as an added bonus, stainless steel, biatches. And bad pinion, good pinion. Can you see the difference? I know you can see the difference. Good, bad. Yeah. Here's with that new billet diff installed. Always make sure you lube up everything good, and all the screws you put in aluminum to aluminum, you need to put Loctite on. Here's the cover, and if you see the little hole right there, or screw, you can pull that screw out after the cover is installed so that you can lube it without pulling the cover. Yeah, cool. So the only drawback I've found with the aluminum housing is that it's so damn strong that when I was at the skate park, I broke my EXB bracket, or shock tower. You see that right there? I'll straighten this one back out, but yeah, that snapped. Case is still in good shape. Yeah, thanks to some movie magic, we're all back together. And ready to rip. Skip.